Hello there. It's Viper, the most amazing, super talented, extremely funny, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same YouTuber you'll ever meet. And welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with a brand new challenge for you guys. It's gonna be an interesting challenge because we're gonna make people say things again for Robux, or more like make weird noises. For unknown reasons, a lot of you guys liked my making people uwu for Robux challenge, and a lot of you guys have been telling me to make a sequel. So today we're gonna be making a sequel, but this time it's gonna be a little more different, cause we need spice, okay? We need variety. So this time we're gonna make people meow for Robux. And they will be receiving a good amount of Robux, alright? It's gonna be worth it for them. So if you guys want more challenges like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like and a comment maybe. I would really appreciate that. As you guys know, I'm a small YouTuber and I'm trying to grow as much as I can, so I would really appreciate that. Also, make sure to turn on the notification bell to get notifications for my channel whenever I upload a video. That would honestly mean the world to me. As you guys know, I'm a bit indecisive when it comes to decision making and choosing the person in my challenges to give the Robux to. So that's why I'm gonna be asking for my friends' help, and they're gonna be rating the competitors with me, and we're going to calculate the scores at the end and give the Robux to the winners. Alright, that's enough of me talking. Let's just hop on to the video. I love you guys. Bye! Alright, come here. Everybody, follow me. Alright, Coffee, stand next to me, please. Alright, get in a line, please. Okay, guys. So me and Coffee, we're the judges, and we're gonna rate you out of 10. Whoever wins the meowing competition gets 1k Robux, second place gets 500 Robux, and third place gets 100 Robux. Alright, so, okay. You're muted.
Okay, can I do it?
Yeah, you can do it.
Damn, I give it an 8. It was actually good.
Yeah, it's a solid 8. It's a solid 8.
It was a good one.
Yeah, that was really good. Hold on. Boys own me like crazy. Okay, you're unmuted. Do it.
I think he doesn't have a mic.
Bruh.
Oh? Oh shit.
Why are you in the line then?
He said
Oh
me
my
no
god.
Oh, damn. That's a 9. That's a 9, come on.
8 for me.
Yeah, that's a 9.
What?
Do it.
Oh shit, you can do it. You can do it.
Wait. Should I do it? Or...
Do it. Go
Yeah.
for it.
Do it. What?
The
Everyone's
mic.
almost 7, 8 for me. What?
Yeah. I'm gonna give it a 7. Coffee?
I'm gonna give it an 8.
8. Okay.
Whoa.
Mr. Bush. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared, alright? Don't be scared. Yo.
That's a 6 for me.
That's 1,000, bro.
That was actually kind of cool, but it's not what we asked for, I feel like, so I'm gonna give it a 5. I'm sorry.
I did
Alright, alright.
It's even
Oh
worse.
my god.
Yeah. Are you feeling that, bro?
Was good though, Mark. Was good.
Alright, I give up, bro.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah, you can start.
Flu, what? Oh.
How was that? How was that? How was
That
that?
was 7
I
for
don't
me.
know.
It was a 6 for
That's
me.
Damn!
Fuck, how was that a 6?
Go for it. Oh,
Damn!
Nice.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
yeah.
What the fuck is that, man?
I'm gonna give it an 8. Okay, Bruno.
Bro, go.
Okay,
We're
you
meowing
ready?
for Robux.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
We're meowing for Robux, bro.
Oh.
Listen.
Damn.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah.
You know what?
Was
I'm
it
gonna give this.
Bro,
I'm
that
gonna
was
give
actually
this,
10. I'm sorry. That was a
I'm
10.
gonna give this. I'm gonna give it this a 10.
Yeah, it's a
Oh,
Bro, I
10.
told you, Bruno.
It's a
Bruno,
solid
I told you.
10.
I told you, bro. I told you.
Yeah, especially the row part got me. Especially the purring part got me,
I'm
bro.
gonna give it a 10. for
No,
sure.
donkey. This is
Alright, Pug.
Mic check.
You did, you got a 10.
Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
I'm gonna give it a 4.
It's a contest. The only gets the best meow wins.
I'm gonna give it a 5. But it was good though. It was a good try. It was a good try. It was a good try.
It's a meow
So I
contest.
didn't know if we could joke or not, so I just did a general one.
Anybody left? Anybody left? Okay, let's hear it, Mar.
1K.
I'm gonna give it a 7. Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a 6.
Yo, big.
Oh.
I love that skin. It's like a
Is it over now?
Blue. It's okay. I wanna hear it. I wanna hear it. I wanna hear it. Pug. Is that Pug?
No, that was me.
No,
That's
it's
me.
I'm cool.
That's,
No,
that's me.
I don't think I got a good one.
I think I rated him.
I
No?
don't know though. Here.
W fit.
Damn.
Alright, bro. I think I hope I won. If I won.
I can't. Nah, I can't. All right, we
Yo,
have a clear
record.
winner, right? We have a clear winner.
It's number 10.
But
It's
what
number
about the
10. It's
second
Bruno.
place? Wait, what about the second place? Floopy and
Floopy,
Flu.
yeah, Floopy.
Yeah, you got
Yeah.
same scores. So like,
Oh.
I guess they both get 500.
yeah, I can do that. Actually, I can
Okay,
give you
bet.
both.
Third.
I can give you both 500. Who's third? Who's
My
third?
turn. Who's third?
Who's
I
third?
got 2 8s in a row. I got 2 8s.
I don't know.
I am
I-
cool. You're the third
that's
person.
me.
Yeah,
Let's
you're the
go.
third person. Okay, so our winner is Bruno. Second place award goes to Flu, and
Let's go, bro. I won. I
Floopy?
fucking won.
and third place goes to I am cool. So let's do it. All right.
Everybody clap.
How much you win?
I guess you'll see.
Okay.
Wow, good job.
Now,
good
Flu.
job.
What's your roll?
Alrighty. 500.
Holy damn!
No way, you're gonna give me
W
5 too now.
contest.
Floopy,
Oh.
stand.
My stand is here.
But
Then
you
mine-
won,
mine
right,
is
Bruno?
here.
Where's my paper, please? Please.
Oh my god.
Alright, Bruno. Bruno, can you do it
himself.
again? Can you do it again, please? I love it.
Okay.
Bruh, no, this is really good.
I can do it too, you see?
Oh my god!
Let's go.